Hey guys, today we're going to work on 9.4, okay? So on this front page, what we're going to do is we're going to count how many we have and write the number we have down here on our lines. And then we're going to see which one has more. Today we want more on this side. Okay, so let's go ahead and count. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 there, okay? Let's see, so there's 10, 11, 12, 13. So you can do it like that and write the number 13. But if we know that this is 10, we're going to write a 1 because that's 1, 10. And then we have how many extras? 1, 2, 3. So we could put a 3 halfway around and around again to make 13. Now you can count it again like that if you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only because we're learning that number, learning what a 10 looks like. But if you already know that there's 10 here in a line, just put a 1 because that's 110, like 1/10's frame, okay? Kind of like 110 with our straws, okay? And because it's all bundled up and put together. Well, there's 3 extras, 3 ones all by themselves. So you can count it 1, 2, 3 if you wanted to, and then write your 3. But if you already know that's 3, just go ahead and write your 3. So let's go ahead and look at this one. Let's see how many are here. I wonder if there's 10. Let's see. We're going to count it again just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh, there are 10. So we know that's 110. 110. So we can write a 1 because there's 110. 110. Let's count how many extras or how many by themselves. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can write a 4. Down and right and cut in 2. So there's 13 and 14. See, or you can count it like this to get the number 14. You could have counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But we know that this all right here, one big tall stack like that is 10. So we don't have to count it all the time like that. We can just go 10. Oh, there's 110. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's just a different way. Instead of seeing it on a tens frame, now you're seeing it in a stack with some blocks. All right, so now we have 13 and 14, and it wants us to circle which one has more. Which one do you think has more? Well, there's only 3 here. There's 4 here. So 14 should be more. 14 is 1 more. As you can look, Miss Keegan will draw a line across, and you can see that there's 1 more than 13, just 1 more. Let's go ahead and look at the next one together. All right, well, we've learned over here that this one stack, this whole stack is 10. So we don't have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we don't have to do that. There's 10. So we have 110, so I'm going to write the number 1. 110, the number 1. How many extras? How many all by themselves? There's only 1. So we're going to put a 1, and that's 11. So 10, 11, 10, 11, 10, 11. Okay, let's go to this one. All right, well, we know that this is 10, right? So we know that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. A 1 and an 8. Make an S and go back home. All right, so there's 110 and 8 extra, 8 ones. So 110, 8 ones, or 8 extras. They're all by themselves. So which one has more? Is it 11 or is it 18? Well, if we drew that little line across, you can see that 18 is definitely bigger than this 1. So that 18 should be circled because 18 has more than 11. Wouldn't you want 11 or 18 scoops of ice cream instead of 11 scoops? All right, let's come down here. Okay, we're going to look at this again. We know that this really tall stack is 10, don't we? So we know that's 10, and there's only 1. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 1 right there because there's only 1 10. All right, now let's see how many extras or how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to write a 5 down and around and give it a hat. So there are 15. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Didn't we get that number? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, let's go to this one. All right, we know that this is 10, right? We know that's 10, and there's only one of those. So we can put a 1 because there's 1, 10. 1, 10. All right, how many extras? How many by themselves? 1, 2. So we're going to put a 2. Curve around and go to the right. Watch your 2s. Make sure you curve it the right way. You curve it, then go to the right, okay? So we don't write it backwards. All right, so now we have 10, 11, 12. 10, 11, 12. So which one has more? Is it 15 or 12? Well, if you look right here, Miss Keegan can draw our pretty little line across. And you can see that 15 has 3 more than 12. So 15, you need to circle the number 15 has more. All right, guys, we're going to go to our last one right here. I want you to go ahead and try this one by yourselves. I will give you a few seconds to go ahead and try it, and then I'll do it with you. So go ahead, give it a try. Okay, we're going to see if you were able to do it, okay? So let's see. We know that this tall stack is 10, right? And so we know that's 10. So we're going to go ahead and put a 0 there. Or I'm not a 0, a 1. And then, oh my gosh, there's no extras. There's nothing on the side. There's no 1s. And there's only 10 blocks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're just going to have to put a 0. So there's 10 here. Let's go ahead and see how many are here. Remember, this tall block is 10. So we know that's 10. So there's only one of them. So we're just going to go ahead and put a 1. There's 1, 10. All right, now we need to know how many extras or how many are over here, how many 1s there are. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We know that's 9, so we're going to make a circle and come straight down. Watch your 9. Make sure it's not backwards and doesn't look like a P. All right, so let's see. We got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, so there's 19. How many, or which one has more? Is it 10 or 19? Well, if you look, there's nothing here. Oh my gosh, there's nothing. So 19 has 9 more than 10. 9 more than 10. So I hope you circled number 19. All right, guys, so now you can see which one has more. Remember, this really tall stack is a 10. So it's 10, 11, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, we're going to go ahead and then we're going to flip it over. This is a little bit different. They're giving us the number on top. So we have 12 here, as you can see. And then they gave us one 10 frame and 2 counters, 2 extras. So we have 10, 11, 12. Same with 14. They gave us a tens frame. So we know that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And they circled which one was more. So we're going to come over here with the 17 and the 15, and we're going to work together on this one. But there's a problem. There's a big, big, big problem. All right, look, we have a tens frame here for 17, and we have a tens frame here for 15, but we're missing our extras. We're missing them. Oh no. So you can get a different color. You can use your pencil. That's fine. It doesn't matter. All right, so now we have 10 here. You know that we need to make 17. So we have 10. So we need to get something more to be able to make 17, okay? So since we have 10, let's go ahead and do 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So now I did the extra 7 because we had 110. Now we need 7 1s or 7 extras. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we're going to do the same thing with 15. Okay, I'm going to get out a different color here. so that way you guys can see the difference. All right, so now we have 110 already, and see how it says 1 there? We already have the 110. Now we need 5 by themselves. We need 5 extras. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 5 extras. So now we need to circle which one has more. 17 has more than 15. It's a bigger number. So we're going to go ahead and circle 17. Now we're going to come down here and do 13 and 11 together, okay? So we have 13. All right, so we have 1. Here's our 1 for our 1 tens frame. There's 1 10, 1 tens frame. 1 10, 1 tens frame. Now, how many extras do we have? We have 3 extras, 3 ones. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we have 10, 11, 12, 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. Now we're going to go ahead and go over to number 11, okay? And we have our 110. We have 110. And how many extras do we have? We have 1 extra. So I'm going to go ahead and put 1 dot. So now we have 10, 11. 10, 11. Which one has more? I hoped you picked 13 because 13 has 2 more than 11. All right, let's go to 19 and 14. There's 19 and here's 14. Okay, so now we have 110 and 110, like it says, but we need 9 extras. So let's go ahead and do 9 extras or 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my gosh, that's a lot, right? 19, that's a lot. That's almost 20. All right, so now we're going to do 14. Now you can see that there's 1 here and 110. 110, 110. Okay, and now we have 4 extras. So we're going to put 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and make sure that this is 19 and this is 14, okay? So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there are 19. Let's check this one. Let's go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Which one has more, 19 or 14? I hope you picked 19. There's 5 more than there is here, okay? So let's go ahead and go down here. Go ahead and go to 17 and 16. And I want you to try that one. And then I want you to try to do 10 and 15, okay? But first, let's do 17 and 16. So go ahead and do 17 for me. Give me your dots. All right, I hope you have 110, 110, and then you gave me 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because that 7 is the extra. That's the 1, so that's the extra. That's how many we had to draw. All right, let's go ahead and do 16. Go ahead and do that one for me. All right, there's 110 and 110. So 110, 110. Let's go ahead and see how many extras there are right here. Remember, this is our extras. All right, so 6 is our extra. So we need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's go ahead and count them to make sure. There's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yep, that one matches. Let's go ahead and do this one. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yep, there's 16. So which one has more, 17 or 16? Well, I hope you pick 17 because 17 is 1 more than 16. All right, let's go ahead and look at 10 and 15. All right, let's see. This one's going to be kind of tricky because it says 110 and 110, but there's no extras. There's nothing there, so we don't need to put anything, do we? Because there's 10, there's 10, 10, 10. All right, let's look at this one. There's 10 again, but this one's 15, so we have 110, and there's my 110s frame. So 110, 110. How many extras, how many ones do we need? We need 5 of them. So let's go ahead and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now which one is bigger? Which one is bigger? Do you think it's 10? Do You think it's 15. Well, 10 has no extras. There's nothing there. And 15 has 5 extras. So I hope you counted 15. All right, guys, I hope you figured out how to compare the two numbers and see which one has more today. Go ahead and take a picture and make sure you put it on your slide so I can see all your good work. You guys did a great job today. Bye.